ngemoto yomgqomo ukuthi kuba khona indawo la khona imoto yomgqomo kuyingafiki khona. And so abantu bafuna ukuthi okay kahle ishedule yemoto yomgqomo ithini, and futhi if kungafiki, if ingafiki imoto yomgqomo ngalelo langa, obani kumele sibathinte, obani kumele bethinte abazothinta lolu abahambishayo.
All right. You see, into yomgqomo iyacasuka nje, I must say because you see i-weather njengoba isi-aggressive nje, and every year iya ngokuya iba aggressive. That's because ukungcola ku-affecta i-environment yethu, right? Negatively. Now, uma ngabe kune-contractor e-appointwe umasipala ukuthi siqokelele udoti, i-challenge ukuthi one, le esinayo kuyenzeka umgqomo say for instance mina ngasekhaya sokukhipha on a Tuesday. Uma ngabe ukhiphile umgqomo on a Tuesday, ingawuthathi imoto because mhlambe ifile, yabo, okusho ukuthi usuzolala lapho, izinja zohlakaze zikhipha ama-pampers kanjani and all that. Now lento ungabe reliable kwe-service provider ugcina kwenza ukuthi umphakathi ungabe usaba consistent. Uma ngabe kufuneka ukhiphe udoti on a Tuesday uze udoti uhambe on a Thursday, ugcina uthi hayi kuyafana, yabo, ube confused ukuthi kuyafana nje ngizokhipha on Tuesday ungathathwa, ugcina ukhipha ngolwesithathu kanti ifikile Tuesday, angithi yabo, kwesinye isikhathi ukhiphe ngolwesine because i-schedule, we're not sticking to i-schedule. I've raised this with the officials who are responsible, and bangipromise ukuthi bayayifina le company. And I went to an extent of asking for i-proof yokuthi bayayifina because mangabe ngibuka fuze ngabe bayashintsha phela. And then they said no, councillor, asivumelekile ukuthi sikunikeze leyo information. Well, I said it's fine. Mina ngihlala ekommitini ekuthiwa i-Municipal Public Accounts Committee, MPAC. Lapho ayikho information esingakwazi ukuyithola. So ngizoyifuna le information ngizoyithola. Uma ukuthi ababafine, then ngizocela ukuthi bathathe ama-disciplinary measures because asikwazi ukuhlala ngale ndlela okuyiyona. Okuwese umphakathi ugcina usushisa udoti. Ngesikhathi ushisa udoti sekuba chaotic kakhulu. So that's a challenge we're having. Now, DSW or in charge of a local njani qoba doti, on a section of education. And I've engaged with all education. Akhandwe abantu bafundiswa kuma-hotspots ukuthi udoti bawumanage, but does it really serve a purpose? Uma ukuthi sizobafundisa abantu kodwa service provider funeka ukuthatha udoti ngosuku olushejulile. Sike saba ne-clean up campaign as ANC se-celebrate ukusungulwa ka-ANC on the 9th of January, right? Thina sizalwa ngo-8 January, but sathi sizolalela upresident asinikeze i-January 8 statement, and then ngeyi-9 siphume siyoclean. That is how we celebrated ukuzalwa ka-ANC. So uma uya lapha udlula ngakamara yomdala uyabona lapho ukuthi kuyadampwa lapha. Sangena sawuqoqa lowo doti, sawuqoqa lowo doti, washaya umoya. But akuphelanga ngisho 2 weeks bese kubuyile futhi. Akudampi abantu abahlala lapho, kudampa abantu abaqhamuka ngaphandle afike ashiye udoti lapho. The question is, uma ngabe uyisakhamuzi kwi-space sakho, because uma ngabe uyisakhamuzi, one, you own ama-premises akho, The next thing that you own, you co-own with our neighbors is the road. Then the area. Uma kusuka abantu bezodampa endaweni yakho uthula uthini. Yeah. That's the challenge we're having. Uma ngabe thina as a community singakwazi ukuthi simsukumele izinto zethu fana nanokhaya, zonke lezi zinto idinga thina as a community ukuthi sisukume siyibambele. Yabo. So into kadoti nje iyakhathaza, but I take comfort in the fact that the contract yale company has come to an end. Njengamanje sibe process ye tender so that kuzo-appointwa enye company.
Obviously wayithinta-ke le ndaba ye-crime ngisasebenzi ngayibona. Kube khona nama-complaints amaningi ekutheni ukuthi ama-crime ewadini ayanda, and abantu bayabuza ngenxa isizathu sokuthi kunama-crimes bathi ngamaphansi. So abantu bayabuza ukuthi i-office le-councillor lenzani ngale crime leyandayo.
Okay. Again, as much as the crime ingeyona competence local government, but because we are citizens, sihlala kunomphakathi, kufanele sithathe inxaxheba in fighting crime. Ungena wami nje ekhanseleni, the first people that I called to my office was SAPS, because I was concerned ngale nto yokuthi uma ngabe ufonela amaphoyisa uthola ukuthi athatha 8 hours, kwesinye isikhathi azafike ngakusasa ukuresponda, kwesinye isikhathi angafiki at all. Now uma ngabe ngithi ngiyayibuza bathi bona no, cancel problem isinayo, ama-resources asinayo, i-manpower asinayo. Yeah. Uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi siba namaveni awu-2 the entire shift. Singayibali lezi ezinye iy'moto engahambi amaphoyisa ayi-uniform. Lawa la-uniform kuthiwa ukuthi sinamaveni awu-2. Enye uma kuthiwa ifile, enye i-responder to incident of crime, then it means asikwazi ukuphuma uma ngabe usibiza size kuwena. That's the challenge we're having.